Clip-in ceiling panels are widely used in offices, malls, and buildings for ceiling decoration. They are easy to install, remove, and maintain. This roll-forming machine makes high-quality clip-in ceiling panels with stable performance and high production efficiency. Let's have a look at this ceiling panel roll-forming machine. The raw material is fed into leveler after uncoiling to flatten the wrinkles. Then, here comes the punching. Mainly punch the notches to facilitate subsequent bending. The hydraulic punching speed is about 30 to 60 times per minute. The most important process is roll forming. This machine adopts gear and chain transmitting way. It is more durable and stable to save your costs and lower the maintenance difficulty. So it shapes panels evenly, keeps high precision all the time. The cutting table according to the dimensions set by the PLC system. Next, the panel is passed to the bending table via a conveyor belt. Finally, the panel will perform the automatic bending, completing the entire production process. It can be seen from this that the entire ceiling panel process is fully automated production, requiring no human intervention. This can greatly save labor costs, and the machine's production speed can reach 3 to 4 pieces per minute. If you want to know more, please contact us for a detailed production solution.